Welcome back, guys. In part 3, we are in part 3. Yay! Woo! So, watch this animation and enjoy. Finished part 3. Of course, you are very happy because you are almost done with the tutorial. So, in part 4, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn about renders. So, this is our cup. um yeah, I made it in, for now I made for CPU. In when I will when I will render, I will make it in GPU. So to start your, actually, when you want to render, if you want to render, you have to first of all go to render engine and then cycle and take your computer device. Mine is GPU, so I will take GPU. So click on F12 for render. I will, after my render is finished, I will show you the. So this is my render. It took a bit, almost. It took, oh my goodness, it took 35 minutes. It's a very long time actually. So yeah, we finished our tutorial. So guys, you finished our tutorial of making a cup in Blender. Congratulations! Wow! So I hope you learned in this tutorial how to make a cup, and modeling and like scaling and rendering and lots of things, and how to texture a glass and make water. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment